What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you have things on your cell phone that you don't want people to see, you need this. Alright, so what I've got here is a Dunier. I feel like it's a D, but it might be a Unier. Anyway, it's a tempered glass screen protector, 9H on the hardness scale. But what this one will do here is also make all your stuff private. So, alright, so here we have it. And we have, oh, looky there. Somebody likes the panda. We have a step-by-step tutorial, so that's interesting. So it should be one of these that is pretty easy to apply and you don't really have to squeegee out anything. Camera lens protector there. Screen protector accessories. I like how they're all packaged up here so you don't have any lint or anything. So microfiber there, screen protecting wipe, and then I think this is like the lint remover. And then looks like we have the tempered glass privacy screen protector right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it out and take a quick little peek at it. So this is what we've got. Look at that, we've got the holes and cutouts up at the top for my XS Max. You can see it looks a little smoky. I think that's how it's supposed to look. And even little cutouts right here for, you know, all those little Face ID cameras and whatnot. And you can see it's pretty thick. I mean, it's not super thick, but it's like a fingernail's thick, and it's on this like plastic holder. So here is the application guide, and there's an arrow pointing up, so that's the top, and then there is a, I think you'd do it like this. Kind of looks like a polarized screen lens to me. Okay, so let me see if we can figure this out. So I'm going to follow the instructions pretty closely. Take out the little handy wipe here and wipe down my phone. Now, I also have a case on my phone, as you might be able to see, so I'm going to remove that just to make sure that nothing is misaligned here. Okay. Alright, so I've got it cleaned up there, and now I'm going to put the alignment tool onto the phone, and it looks like that snaps all the way down. That's pretty cool. Now I'm going to take the screen itself, remove the backing, and I'm just going to try to pull the backing away. I don't want to really bend the screen any more than I need to. So I'm going to use the backing to bend it away, and there we go. Now I've got the privacy screen, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this tool to align it, which is actually pretty nice. And now I'm going to hit it in the middle. Oh, and it's kind of spreading around. I can kind of see it. It might be a little hard to see there, but it's kind of spreading on its own. But I'm going to kind of, maybe you'll see there, but I'm going to kind of work it and push it out. Give it a little extra oomph so you can see there. Oops, it's got a little air bubble. I must have not gotten everything out of there. But I'm going to do that all the way to the top and the bottom. I'm going to remove the guide now and just finish up massaging out all of the bubbles. Okay, pretty cool. And look at that. Now the phone is on, but what? Gone. Look at that. Privacy. Actually, if I'm looking at the screen like this, I can see it top to bottom, but left to right, you cannot. Here's an example. I'm looking at some really saucy pictures. Yeah! But you can't see it there. Dude, that is crazy. Look at that. I would say at about, I don't know, a 30-degree shallow angle here, you can't see anything. Go up to about 45 degrees, you can start seeing things. But man, I can tell you that I'm really impressed because the picture looks pretty good as I'm looking at it, but then you move away. So I'll be darned. I didn't expect it to work that good. And the nice thing is if I'm looking at it, even if I'm not looking at it straight on, up and down, no problem. It's only left and right where things disappear. That is crazy. I love it. I love it. So if you want to pick this up, it's really easy to apply. It makes it almost foolproof to do it, but man, that really works. And I definitely will tell you, you know, I used to use a BlackBerry for work. there's a lot of times you're reading emails, looking at charts, looking at pictures, whatever it might be, for work, something that's confidential, something you don't want people to see. If you travel a lot, if you're on public transit, maybe you're just at work and you don't want other people to see what you're doing in meetings, but when you're responding to other important things, man, this would be great. So that's cool. And on top of that, it's tempered glass. It's going to protect your screen. So I'm really excited about it. I'm definitely going to leave this on here and use it. So, and as you can see, the edge is nice and rounded right there. You can see where the glass ends to the glass of the phone. So you could still put on your cases without a problem here. Man, that looks good. That looks good. Woo! Dude, I'm really impressed. I don't know. I get impressed by the easiest things, but it works. I'll put a link to this in the description if you want to pick it up. Peter Von Panda, out.